Hello friends, welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. Our topic for today is P block elements, compounds of halogens. The earlier two videos of halogens, the physical properties and chemical properties, we've already covered. In the compounds of halogen, interhalogen compounds we have also covered. Now today we will cover oxoacids of halogens, chlorine and hydrogen chloride. So oxoacids of halogens, all oxoacids have at least one element double bond oxygen and one element and OH bond. So in case of halogens also we have different oxoacids. These cannot be isolated in the pure state. They are stable in aqueous solution. Halogens form four series of oxoacid: hypohalous acid, halous acid, halic acid and perhalic acid. Fluorine shows only one oxoacid, that is hypofluorous acid, and it is different from other hypohalous acids of halogen in the sense that fluorine shows an oxidation state of -1 in hypofluorous acids, whereas others show oxidation state of +1. So for chlorine, all the four series of oxoacids are present: hypochlorous acid, chlorous acid, chloric acid and perchloric acid. For bromine, we have hypobromous acid, bromic acid and perbromic acid, and for iodine we have hypoiodous acid, iodic acid and periodic acid. The structure of oxoacids of chlorine: hypochlorous acid is bent shape. The chlorine atom is sp3 hybridized. Of the four sp3 hybrid orbitals, 3 are occupied by lone pair of electrons. In case of chlorous acid, we have one OH and one Cl double bond O bond. The oxidation state for chlorous acid is +3. For chloric acid, the oxidation state is +5. Chlorine is again in an sp3 hybridization, but of the four sp3 hybrid orbitals, one is occupied by lone pair of electrons, that is marked in purple here. And then we have two chlorine oxo bonds and one chlorine OH bond. In case of perchloric acid, we have 3 chlorine oxo bonds and one OH bond. The oxidation state of perchloric acid is +7. Chlorine has a very small size and high electronegativity, so it forms only one oxoacid, hypofluorous acid, in which fluorine shows an oxidation state of -1. Hypobromous acid with +1 oxidation state, hypobromic acid with +5 and perbromic acid with +7. Acidic strength increases with increase in oxidation number. So for a particular halogen, the perchloric acid will be strongest acid, whereas hypochlorous acid will be less strong. And if we move down the group, acidic strength increases with increase in electronegativity. So hypofluorous acid is the strongest acid and hypoiodous acid is the weakest acid. So down the group, the acidic strength decreases because electronegativity decreases. Compound is chlorine. It was discovered in 1774 by Scheele, but in 1810 Davy established its elementary nature. Preparation of chlorine in the laboratory by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated HCl. Chlorine gas is produced by the action of HCl on KMnO4. Potassium chloride, manganese chloride and chlorine is produced. Industrial preparation is by Deacon's method or by electrolytic process. In the Deacon's process, The HCl gas is oxidized by atmospheric oxygen in presence of copper chloride at 723 Kelvin. HCl and oxygen combine to form chlorine and water. We carry out the electrolysis of brine, that is concentrated in sodium chloride solution, and we can obtain chlorine at the anode. The negatively charged chloride ions are attracted towards it. They lose their electrons at the anode and form chlorine gas. Properties of chlorine: it is a greenish yellow gas with pungent and suffocating odor. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It can be liquefied easily into greenish yellow liquid which boils at 239 Kelvin. It has two natural isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. It is soluble in water. It reacts with metals forming respective chlorides. For example, aluminium will form aluminium chloride, sodium chloride, and iron ferric chloride. It also reacts with non-metals to form their respective chlorides, which are covalent in nature, phosphorus trichloride and sulfurous monochloride. With hydrogen, chlorine reacts to form hydrogen chloride. With H2S, also chlorine can react to give hydrogen chloride and sulfur will be formed. It also reacts with ammonia, and the products differ depending upon which of the two reactants is in excess. If ammonia is in excess, ammonium chloride and nitrogen is formed, but if chlorine is in excess, nitrogen trichloride, an explosive, and hydrogen chloride are formed. With slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, chlorine reacts to form bleaching powder along with calcium chloride and water. With alkalis, chlorine shows disproportionation reaction. A disproportionation reaction is one in which the element undergoes oxidation as well as reduction during the reaction. And depending upon the medium and the reaction conditions, the products formed can be different. For example, with cold and dilute alkali, chlorine produces a mixture of chloride and hypochlorite. For example, in cold and dilute, NaOH will form with chlorine, NaCl and NaOCl and water. But with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide, chlorine forms chloride and chlorate, sodium chlorate and water. Reaction with water, aqueous solution of chlorine is called chlorine water. If you keep the solution on standing, it loses its yellow color because the chlorine water decomposes into HCl and HOCl, hypochlorous acid. This hypochlorous acid, being unstable, decomposes to give nascent oxygen, which is responsible for oxidizing properties of chlorine water. So, in presence of moisture or in aqueous solution, chlorine water will act as powerful oxidizing agent because of presence of nascent oxygen. Chlorine's oxidizing nature can be seen by these examples. Ferrous sulfate is oxidized to ferric sulfate. Sodium sulfite is oxidized to sodium sulfate. Sulfur dioxide is oxidized to sulfuric acid by chlorine water, and iodine is oxidized to iodic acid. Bleaching action of chlorine. Chlorine bleaches vegetable matter or organic matter. It oxidizes the colored matter to colorless matter. Colored matter plus nascent oxygen produced by chlorine water will form colorless matter. Uses of chlorine: it is used for bleaching wood pulp, that is for manufacture of paper and rayon, and it is also used for bleaching cotton and textiles. It is used in the extraction of gold and platinum. It is used in sterilizing drinking water, in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as carbon tetrachloride, chloroform and DDT. Poisonous gases like phosgene, tear gas and mustard gas are also prepared with chlorine as raw material. Next compound is hydrogen chloride. Glauber prepared this acid in 1648 by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid, but in 1810 Davy showed that it is a compound of hydrogen and chlorine. Preparation: we can heat NaCl with concentrated sulfuric acid to form sodium bisulfate and HCl, and sodium bisulfate can also react with sodium chloride to produce HCl along with sodium sulfate. The HCl gas so produced can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Hydrogen chloride is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. It is easily liquefied to a colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 189 Kelvin and it freezes to a white crystalline solid when its freezing point is 159 Kelvin. It is extremely soluble in water and ionizes to give hydronium ion and chloride ion. Thus it acts like an acid. It's a strong acid because Ka value is 10 raised to power 7, and its aqueous solution in water, its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. It reacts with ammonia to give ammonium chloride. When 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid are mixed, aqua regia is formed, which is used for dissolving noble metals like gold and platinum. Gold, when reacts with nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, forms gold tetrachloride and nitric oxide and water. Similarly, platinum will form platinum hexachloride, nitric oxide and water. Hydrochloric acid decomposes salts of weaker acids, for example carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, sulfites, etc. So sodium carbonate decomposes to give NaCl, water and carbon dioxide. Sodium bicarbonate will give same products. Sodium sulfite also with HCl will form sodium chloride, water and sulfur dioxide. Hydrochloric acid is used in the manufacture of chlorine, ammonium chloride and glucose from cornstarch. It is used for extracting glue from bones and purifying bone black. It is used in medicine and as a laboratory reagent.